Now, here's how you check whether any report can be trusted. Any report, government, scientific, journalistic, even this one, mine, you look for two things, and I'm going to call them the recipe and the receipts. So the recipe is what researchers call a methodology. It's a fancy word, simple meaning the part of the report where the authors explain how they did the work. How did they find witnesses? How many did they hear? When somebody makes a claim, how was it checked and how was it verified? What standard did something have to meet before it got printed as fact? Every serious investigation has this section, because without it, a reader has no way to tell a verified fact from a rumor somebody just wrote down. So that's the recipe or the methodology. The second thing you need is the receipts, which are the footnotes. Those little numbers in the text that point to a source, that this fact comes from this document on this date. Go and take a look. Receipts are what let you check. So I went through this entire report and did a basic search. All 219 pages, every word. Listen to this. The word methodology, how we did the work, appears 0 times. There is no method section, none. The word verify or verified, 0 times. The word corroborate, the formal word for backing up a claim with a second independent source, 0 times. And here's the worst part, the number of witnesses this inquiry heard, the most basic fact about any investigation on earth, never stated anywhere. I genuinely cannot tell you whether this inquiry heard from 4 people, from 40 people, or 400, and neither can anyone else, because the report never says. Now, let me be precise. I am not saying they did no checking behind closed doors. I can't know that. I'm saying the report shows none, 0. And in investigations, showing your work isn't a bonus. It is the work. Nobody marks this homework on the answer alone. We're going to mark it on whether you can show how you got there. We need the working out. Why does this matter so much? Because this report is about to make some of the biggest claims you've ever heard with total confidence, and that affects real people. It has real life implications. And so with those introductions out of the way, let's actually get started.